Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Appsit Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change your Signal account's profile picture and name using the Signal app on your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, launch open the Signal application on your smartphone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're in the home page of Signal, go ahead and tap on your current profile avatar at the top left corner. Now click on Settings in the pop-up. Click on your name at the top of the screen and click on Edit Photo in order to change your profile picture. Now from the Select an Avatar list, go ahead and select an avatar for yourself. You can also choose your own photo as an avatar by tapping on the camera button and clicking a picture from your device's camera, or by tapping Photo and selecting a picture from your device's camera roll. After choosing the photo, make sure that it is inside the frame and click on Done. Wait for a few seconds and your profile picture will be uploaded. Now, to save the change, click on Set at the top right. And there you have your profile picture updated on Signal. To change your name on Signal account, go ahead and tap on your name under Edit Photo. Now enter a new name you want to change to and click on Done at the top right. Now click Save at the top right, and there you have updated your name as well. So that was how you can easily change your profile picture and your name on your Signal account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more easy tutorials. If you have a question or want to suggest something, drop a comment below and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.